Today we introduce this electric tablet machine all-in-one. The device is driven by a turbo motor, making it very powerful. Turning the red knob to 1 or 2 adjusts the tablet shaft's clockwise or counterclockwise rotation, respectively, as needed. The upper gear shaft is used to adjust the thickness of the tablet compression, while the tablet shaft can compress the material into shapes such as flat, square, and half-circular. Next, let's see a live demonstration to check out the device's performance. Use this metallic ruler as the material. First, adjust the thickness of the pressure shaft by rotating the upper mechanical rod. Turn on the device switch to start working. During the process, appropriate compression thickness adjustment can be made to achieve the ideal effect. One point to note is to avoid wearing cotton gloves while working, as the gloves may be drawn into the compression shaft. The performance of this device is still quite good. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments.